Have you ever wondered what it takes to change the world? Not just once, but over and over again? Today, we're diving deep into the life of a man who seems to operate on a different frequency. A man who juggles rockets, AI, and electric cars all before breakfast. This is the story of Elon Musk, the man who never sleeps. From the moment he wakes up, Elon Musk's day is a meticulously scheduled race against time. Forget a leisurely morning. He's often up before the sun, diving straight into critical emails that could decide the fate of a multi-billion-dollar project. His secret? Time blocking. He slices his day into 5-minute slots, a technique that allows him to switch contexts at lightning speed. One moment, he's troubleshooting a Raptor engine for a Starship launch at SpaceX. The next, he's in a design meeting at Tesla, obsessing over the aerodynamics of a new Cybertruck prototype. Then, it's a deep dive into the neural networks at XAI. It's like watching a grandmaster play 3 games of chess simultaneously, against the world's best players, and winning. This isn't just multitasking. It's a masterclass in extreme focus and relentless execution. How does he manage it? He calls it first principles thinking, breaking down impossibly complex problems into their most basic, fundamental truths and building solutions from the ground up. It's a mindset that allows him to see possibilities where others see roadblocks. Let's talk about that schedule. A typical day for Musk is a whirlwind tour of his empire. He might start his morning at SpaceX in Texas, reviewing launch data and pushing his team to innovate faster. He's known for walking the factory floor, asking engineers direct, pointed questions. He doesn't want a PowerPoint summary. He wants the raw data, the messy truth. He believes that the person closest to the problem is closest to the solution. By lunchtime, he could be on his private jet, which he famously calls his time machine. The plane isn't a luxury. It's a necessity, a mobile office that allows him to work uninterrupted as he flies to California. Landing near Tesla's headquarters, he'll immediately jump into another series of back-to-back meetings. Whether it's optimizing the Gigafactory production line or debating the ethics of autonomous driving, his intensity never wavers. Colleagues say that when you're in a meeting with Elon, you have his undivided attention. He's not checking his phone. He's dissecting your argument, challenging your assumptions, and pushing for a better outcome. This relentless drive is fueled by a deep sense of urgency. He genuinely believes humanity's future depends on the success of his companies. But what about sleep? The title, The Man Who Never Sleeps, is, of course, an exaggeration, but it's rooted in a legendary work ethic. In the early, make-or-break days of Tesla and SpaceX, stories of him sleeping under his desk or on the factory floor were common. He pushed himself to the absolute limit because he believed that was what it took to succeed. He once said, "Work like hell. I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100-hour weeks every week." While he now advocates for a more sustainable 6 hours of sleep per night, that intensity hasn't faded. He sees sleep as a necessary function, but one to be optimized like everything else. This extreme lifestyle is powered by an unshakable vision. He isn't just trying to build successful companies, he's trying to solve humanity's biggest challenges: sustainable energy, multiplanetary existence, and the safe development of artificial intelligence. It's this grand, audacious vision that fuels him through the 100-hour workweeks and the seemingly impossible challenges. This constant experimentation isn't just confined to his factories. It's a core part of his life. He famously lives by the motto, "The best part is no part." He is obsessed with simplification. If a part isn't absolutely critical, get rid of it. If a process is too complex, simplify it. This philosophy extends from rocket design to company structure. He despises bureaucracy and unnecessary meetings, encouraging employees to walk out of a meeting if they aren't contributing. He fosters a culture of radical transparency and meritocracy, where the best idea wins, regardless of who it comes from. This constant drive to optimize, to iterate, and to improve is what allows his companies to move at a pace that leaves competitors in the dust. Think about it. SpaceX went from nearly failing to regularly launching and landing reusable rockets. Tesla went from a niche startup to revolutionizing the entire automotive industry. This isn't luck. It's the result of a system built on constant, relentless experimentation. So, what can we learn from this? Musk's lifestyle is undoubtedly extreme and not for everyone. But the underlying principles are powerful. First, have a mission that's bigger than yourself. A powerful why can provide the fuel to overcome almost any how. Second, think from first principles. Don't just accept the way things have always been done. Break problems down and build your own solutions. Third, be obsessed with learning. Musk is described as a learning machine, devouring textbooks on rocket science and artificial intelligence. He didn't know how to build rockets, so he taught himself. And finally, embrace a sense of urgency. Act as if the future depends on your actions today, because in many ways, it does. Elon Musk is more than just a CEO. He's a force of nature, a testament to what one person can achieve when they combine a grand vision with an absolutely relentless work ethic. He's a living, breathing experiment in human potential. What do you think about his approach to work and life? Is it genius or is it unsustainable? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive. If you enjoyed this video and want more stories about the people shaping our future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and you won't want to miss what we have coming up next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.